How to replace the rear shocks and coil springs on a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. First thing you need to do is to jack up your car, place jack stands just ahead of the rear end assembly, and remove your tires. The next thing you need to do is to remove the brake lines from the brake caliper. This is a 11 millimeter. Show you hang on to these washers and bolt. First thing is jack that rear end up, take some pressure off the shock. And this is a 18 millimeter wrench, and I got a 18 millimeter socket on the end of my impact driver. Let me get that in there. Hard getting that on that nut inside there. Now look what I discovered after getting them bolts off. Now these are off the top of the shocks, and I was having trouble keeping the wrench on that. It kept slipping around. So that's 18 millimeter, and it's just flopping around on the tops of them where it's nice and tight on these other ones. So I went and got a 11/16, and it fits on there nice and snug. Now is that some little trick, or is it just that these have been wore that much? I can't imagine. Anyways, keep an eye out for that. Okay, now I'm going to remove the track bar from the rear end assembly. Remember to keep your jack underneath there to keep the pressure off of here. And again, it's a 18 millimeter wrench. Have to drop the jack. Well, there's one spring. Here's the second spring. Okay, remove, this is the bottom. They call this the spring isolator. Get up there. That one. So you can see the springs broke. And these are the jounce bumpers. Now these are going to the dump, and these jounce bumpers, oh my god, they've seen better days. I bought two new ones. Now look at the difference. These are totally destroyed. Those are going to the dump too. But these isolators, I can still use these. Here's my new springs. Now there's no difference that I can see of between the bottom and top or top to bottom. So I'm going to stick these isolators, assuming that's the bottom. Stick down there. One goes in there. There. Okay, we're going to reassemble everything. First thing we want to do is connect our shocks, just the top part. Okay, now this is going to be tricky. Get this bolt back on, not on there. There, I got the nut on. Here, just hand tight it. We'll leave that loose for now and we'll do the other one. I find the easiest way to put that nut back on there is just shove this in until it's flush with the other side. You can put your finger over the top of the nut and then just till you feel her take the threads. Yep, she's taking it. There, we're just going to hand tight it for now. Now we put the spring in there. I'm going to jack it up a little bit. There. Now we'll put the other one up. See, that'll snug in there. Oh yeah, that's better. There. Now, let's see. Rear end's got to come down just a smidgen. There. Nice and snug. Snug. The rear end's got to come up, oh, probably an inch or so. There. Good and snug. There, she's good and snug. Oh, yes. Okay, now I gotta just bolt on that track bar. So it looks like I got to jack up the rear end a couple inches. Okay, I'll go under, see if that'll fit. Oh, she's so close. There. There. Now I got to reattach the brake lines. Let's see, like that goes down the inside like that, yeah. Okay, put your washer, bolt washer, goes up, and then your other brass washer inside here. Actually, they're probably copper, not brass, but anyways. Let's see. There, the other one out. Bolt, washer, and the inside washer. There. There, shocks and springs all done.